Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about semester 1 syllabus of organic chemistry. In MSc, we have semester system, and in semester 1, core course, third, and organic chemistry 1 syllabus. So you know there is a credit system, so this paper have 5 credit and full mark 70. So organic chemistry 1 as unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4 and unit 5. Only 5 units is there. So in unit 1 you have to read nature of bonding in organic molecules. So there is a topic: delocalized chemical bonding conjugations, cross conjugations, resonance, hyperconjugations, tautomerisms, aromaticity in benzenoid and non-benzenoid compounds, alternate and non-alternate hydrocarbons, Huckel's rules, energy level of molecular orbitals, anilines, anti-aromaticity, homoaromaticity, and PMO approach. In unit 2, stereochemistry. In stereochemistry, we have to learn chirality, elements of symmetry, molecules with more than one chiral center, diastereomerism, determinations of relative and absolute configurations, methods of resolutions, optical purity, prochirality, enantiotopic and diisotropic atoms, groups and phases, asymmetric synthesis, conformational analysis of cycloalkanes, 6-member rings, decalines, effect of conformations on reactivity, optical activity in absence of chiral carbon, biphenyl, allenes and spirales, chirality due to helical shape, stereospecific and stereoselective synthesis, stability and reactivity of carbocations. In unit 3, reaction mechanism, structure and reactivity. Types of reactions, kinetic and thermodynamic control, Hammond's postulates, Curtin H. Hammett principles, potential energy diagrams, transition state and intermediates, method of determining mechanism, isotope effect, generations, structure, carbanions, free radicals, carbene and nitrogen, effect of a structure on reactivity, the Hammett equations and linear free energy relationship, substituents and reactions, constant Taft equations. And unit 4, aliphatic nucleophilic substitutions, the SN2, SN1, mixed SN1 and SN2, SNI and set mechanisms, the neighboring group mechanism, neighboring group participations by pi and sigma bond, anchimeric assistance, classical and non-classical carbocations, phenomena ions, reactivity effect of substrate structure attacking nucleophile, living group and reactions medium, ambident nucleophiles and reduced reactivity, nucleophilic substitution at an allylic, aliphatic, trigonal and vinylic carbon. Aromatic nucleophilic substitutions, aromatic SN1, aromatic SN2, ipso attack, benzene mechanisms, reactivity effect of substrates structure, living groups and attacking nucleophile, the von Richter, Somlet, Hauser and Smiley reactions. Aliphatic electrophilic substitutions, bimolecular mechanisms, SE2, SE1, electrophilic substitutions accompanied by double bonds, shift, effect of substrates, leaving groups and solvent polarity on the reactivity. Elimination reaction mechanism and orientation in pyrolytic eliminations, mechanism in application of Pope eliminations, Fugue reactions and Peterson reactions. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. Now if you consult some book recommendations, Advanced Organic Chemistry Reaction Mechanism and Structure by Jerry Marsh, a guidebook to a mechanism in organic chemistry by Peter Sykes, Organic Chemistry by R.T. Morrison and R.N. Coed, Advanced Organic Chemistry by Jagdamba Singh and L.D.S. Yadav, Reaction Mechanism in Organic Chemistry by S.M. Mukherjee and S.P. Singh, Histochemistry of Organic Compound by D. Nasikuri, Histochemistry of Organic Compounds by P.S. Kalsi, Advanced Organic Chemistry by F.A. Carey and R.J. Sudberg, and Organic Synthesis by Jagdamba Singh, L.D.S. Yadav and J.I. Singh. So these are recommended books for this syllabus. So hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.